Hello everyone, I hope you're okay. Let's start our analysis for 10th of June 2025, starting with Forex Factory. See what's happening in the market in terms of news. And we have 9 p.m. That's UK, all times are UK times. So 9 p.m. we got medium impact news. Uh, President Trump speak. The rest of the day we don't have any news related to USD. Normally we trade in USD and gold pair, so we're only interested in USD. Right. If you would trade in GBP, we have a couple of news as well. 7 a.m. You can look into that. Anyway, let's go on to the chart now. See what the chart says. So according to the chart, starting with the daily, what we have there, I previously said that I'm expecting rejection from this area to the upside, and I did explain the reason for that as well. And currently we are in bullish momentum, and as you can see, this is the daily area was tested, and then this level was tested, and now looks like this level has been tested now. So it's possible that we can see further movement to the upside. However, we have to go into smaller time frame and see what's happening there, and that's 4 hour. 4 hour, we know that this level has been tested. I previously mentioned so many times that this is possible. This gap may be tested. So it has been tested with the liquidity sweep from the top. We have a huge liquidity sweep, and what happened? This level was tested, and then after liquidity sweep, this level was broken. That was expected because when such a liquidity sweep happens, and then we can expect this level to be broken a second time. And now this level has been tested. And now we're expecting move to the upside. And this is the level. So what can happen further now? This is 1 hour chart, and you can see market is making higher high in 1 hour. This level was broken. So and now is it possible to it can come to this to the further little bit down, and then from there we can see to move to the upside. So it is 1, 1, 2, 3. So this level can be tested before we can move to the upside, right? So let's see how far it can go down. So this is the area. So always look for the confirmation for when you jump into trade. So we can look for confirmation here. Either you use moving averages or candlestick patterns. There's a lot of confirmation methods you can use. So that's it. I'll leave this to you. But if you have any more questions or comments, please do put underneath this video so that I can make a video about that. Okay, so have a good day and good night. Bye-bye.